everyone, Grim Fury here, and it's Tuesday, time for another video. And this week is brought to you by Snack Nation. Snack Nation, discover the foods you love. And that is at snacknation.com. They've got a wonderful little box of 6 more healthy conscious snacks for $1 plus $3.99 shipping. And as long as you get the survey completed by the 25th of the month, it will continue to be that price of $1 for the box plus $3.99 shipping. Otherwise, it will be $9.99. So it is a great deal for 6 little, like I said, more healthier snacks to enjoy for such a low price, and you get it every month. So, what do you say we go ahead and open this little jewel up and see what kind of nice little healthy goodies we've got, huh? Let's get started. Alrighty. Safety first! Alright, here we go. Let's see what's inside. If it's gonna let me. There we go. Alright. And it comes with a little card that says, Snack Nation, snack, smile, repeat. Take your survey and save. Complete your survey by June 25th to receive $5 off the original price on next month's box. And then it says the same thing on the back. Get $5 off your next box. Complete your survey by June 25th. Visit snacknation.com/flavor. And it says save $5 on next month's box of delicious, healthier snacks. So, let's get started. Alright, first we have... Ooh, this is actually a fairly good size package. Usually they're fairly small. This is Red Rock Deli Lime and Cracked Pepper Deli Style Potato Chips. Well, I will tell you, not a real big lime fan. You know, in pretty much any, of its sources, like limeade or cherry limeade or lemon limeade or whatever. I don't know. But we'll see how it goes on here. Smells alright. Well. Well, that's actually really nice. It's got a little hint of lime in it, but not enough to, I don't know, be overpowering or be as really pronounced as a lot of the lime-flavored foods that are out there. Now, of course, key lime pie, now that's a different ballgame completely. I will eat my body weight in that. Don't try me. Alright, next we have, what is that? Ecology Chocolate Chip Crunchy Cookie Bites. Little bitty bag. Cute little bag. I know, sorry for the little glare it's getting from rocking back and forth. Alright, am I going to be able to pull this one open? If not, I got scissors. Seems like when I bring my scissors, I can open the bags easily, but when I don't bring the scissors, the packages are practically bulletproof. Smells like chocolate chip cookies. There's a chocolate chip cookie. Well, it's very good. It says it's vegan, gluten-free, and it says coconut oil, pure ingredients, 0 grams trans fat. Still, it tastes, tastes just like a regular chocolate chip cookie. You wouldn't know that it didn't have all that stuff in there, You wouldn't know that it was, didn't have, that it was gluten-free, had coconut oil in it, whatnot. Tastes very good. Tastes exactly like a normal chocolate chip cookie. So very good. All right, next we have, what do we got here? Natural Cut Old Wisconsin Turkey Snack Stick. Kind of hard to get that little thing in there. I've had old Wisconsin snacks before. We sell them at the store I work at. Oh, I love the smell of these things. Meat sticks in just in general. Very nice, very flavorful. Just like I would expect. Little clippies. If you're wondering what I'm doing. That way, if I accidentally knock it off my little base here, that they don't go all over the floor. Alright. Next we have Pure Protein Bar. Dark chocolate coconut. I'm not a coconut fan, but who knows? Maybe I won't taste it. I mean, I didn't taste the coconut oil in the chocolate chip cookies, so let's just hope for the best. It's very pretty. Look at that. Isn't that nice looking? Alright, see if we can break a little piece off. Wow, that's a stiff little bar. Oh, it's bigger than I was hoping. Oh well, here's mud in your eye. Ooh, smells coconutty. I can taste the coconut in it. It's not real strong, but it's definitely there. The coconut smell is way stronger than the taste. Sorry, that was a much bigger piece than I was wanting. I need something to drink. Alright, now I'm really getting the coconut flavor. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of coconut, so Try to get that coconut taste out of my mouth. Alright, 2 more. Next we have Marshmallow. Marshmallow Rice Treats. Smash Crispy Cinnamon Churro. Ooh. It's a really fancy, I guess, somewhat healthier, like a Rice Krispies treat, kind of. But cinnamon churro, that sounds really good. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Just looks like a regular Rice Krispie treat, sort of. Maybe a little bit darker. Let's see if I can just break a piece off. Maybe. Ah, there we go. Smells really cinnamony. It's all right. A very, very mild flavor. Yeah. You can taste the marshmallow, you can taste the cinnamon. But, you know, like I said, it's really mild, so it's not what I was expecting. I was expecting a lot more flavor. But I mean, it's not bad. It's just not real strong flavor to it. But still pretty good. All right. Last item. No Better Cookie. Chocolate chip. It says keto 4-to-1. I have no idea what that means. Let's look at the back. "26 grams of carbs and 5 grams of dietary fiber." What's that 26? Oh, here is bigger. 26 grams of carbs and 5 grams of fiber. So it says, wait, 3 grams net carbs, 18 grams of allulose? So I don't know what the allulose is, but apparently for the keto, you can subtract the grams of allulose and the grams of fiber to really lower your carbs. So apparently this is only 3 grams of net carbs. I'm going to have to look that up, about the allulose. I mean, I've never even heard of it before. And that's only because I'm on the, I'm on the keto. So, anyways, let's see. Whoops! Almost tore the bag down the side. I don't know. Can't really describe it. Oh, excuse me. It doesn't smell like a chocolate chip cookie. It doesn't really look like one either. That's what it looks like. But, I don't know. Maybe the allulose has something to do with it. I don't even know what that is. But, anyways, it's nice and soft. That much I can tell you. Come on, I don't want a huge piece. Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's try this out. Not bad. It tastes like a kind of like an oatmeal cookie. The chocolate chips taste like they're dark chocolate. They have that, that distinct flavor, that distinct bite to it that dark chocolate has. It's not bad. I'm not a big fan of dark chocolate, so, it's all right. Well, and there's the smile in the box. As it says, thank you for snacking consciously and sharing the love. We donate to Feeding America for every box you enjoy as a Snack Nation member. That's what it says right there. Well, that's it, everyone. We had the little card, we had the cookie, we had the marshmallow crispy treat, we had the protein bar, we had the little bitty chocolate chip cookies, We had the turkey stick, and we had the lime and cracked pepper chips, which is by far, surprisingly, my favorite, with the little cookies being second line. So, whoops, let's not break the chips. So, that's it, everyone, and that was by Snack Nation. Discover food you love. So, if you enjoyed this video, please visit snacknation.com and subscribe, and you'll get a wonderful little box of 6 little healthier snacks every month, and you know, for a very cheap price. So you can't go wrong. And also, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you will all join me next week for a new video. Not sure what it is. There is a chance that it could be my Universal Yums box. It has shipped, I think, like 2 days ago. So there is a possibility I could get that for next week, but I won't know until the time comes. And for those of you that haven't heard, my newest Universal Yums box is coming all the way from Colombia. So I'm really looking forward to that. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me for this little endeavor here of our wonderful little goodies from Snack Nation, and I hope you'll join me next week for a new video. Take care, everyone. Have a great week. Enjoy the weather if you like the summer. I'm not a summer person, so what are you gonna do? But anyways, I'll see you all next week, everyone. Y'all take care of yourself. Love you guys. Bye.